Now, while we've had a look at the ribbon and looked at the quick access toolbar, there are some tricks and tips that you can use to make your work more efficient. Now, here we have the quick access toolbar. You can simply right click on this and we can do hide command labels. Now let's click that and see what happens, and that simply removes all the text that's next to it, and this will allow you to be able to streamline your worksheets. Once again, if you want to go across to the customize ribbon, let's go and let's do customize quick access toolbar. What you can do is change the options. So for example, if you want to put freeze panes right to the top, simply click on it and that would be then the first option. So let's have a look here, and when you press OK, it would be moved across. There you go, you have that before the autosave. Another powerful feature of the ribbon is customizing it, not just with the standard options. So we are now just going to right click and add to, let's right click onto the ribbon, and here we go, customize the ribbon once again. Now we are going to add a personal tab that we want with all our features. Now we don't want things on home, insert, we're going to add a new tab right here, and we are going to rename this tab called, let's call it Semina's tab. You can call it whatever you want. You can have some little emojis. Let's click on the green icon, press OK, and now we have a custom tab right here. We need to rename that. Let's go and do that. Press OK. Now within the tab group, we are going to be adding some different functions. So let's call these quick tabs, quick features. You can rename it to whatever you want. Let's just do that. So say we use something like conditional formatting a lot. You just click onto that, press add. We can add it right there. Custom sort, let's add that. Let's add things like email, add right there, and let's go down to the macros view. We can add that as well, and we can do things like a page setup. So you get the picture of how we can add different things to our tab. Now once we press OK, you have the home tab here, and we should have a new tab popping up right there. Press OK. And now you see you have a tab called Semina's tab. Once we click onto that, you can see all of the functions that we've added. So the powerful capabilities of customizing your ribbon in Excel are there to make you a lot more efficient than the existing tabs.